Hi, I'm Jacob, and today I'm going to be making egg salad sandwiches. Egg salad sandwiches are good because they contain lots of protein, which is good for vegetarians like me. And eggs have amino fatty acids, which are also good. These eggs have already been boiled and prepped and peeled. I boiled them for 15 minutes and then immerse them in cold water for another 15, so it makes it easier to peel. I am just cutting them up now so it is easier for me to blend the ingredients together. I really don't know what else to say.
Sing.
Making video. Egg salad sandwiches. Pretty basic.
Sing.
I don't want to sing. I'm making eggs. It's weird. Oh yes, and I have washed my hands. Thank the Lord. Okay, so now that the eggs are cut up, I will be adding half a cup of mayonnaise into the mixture. One teaspoon of prepared yellow mustard. And some green onions, salt, pepper, and a little bit of seasoning salt, and I also put a little bit of basil, just for flavor. I like to put basil in everything. And now I'm just mixing it all together. There we go. And I'm putting it on homemade bread that our neighbor makes for us. It has lots of good grains and fiber for your colon. And that's about it. Simple, easy, healthy egg salad sandwiches with Chef Jacob Quanten. Signing out.